This obviously brings the augmented reality bit to life.
Hi, I'm Matt Alvarez. I'm from AELP, that's the Association of Employment and Learning Providers. After the apprentices leave the safety of the classroom, then they need to continue that learning in the workplace. So we've developed posters which are augmented reality, I suppose clever posters, which have videos within them.
This allows us to know for certain that nobody else can re-energise this panel without the key.
The learners can use handheld devices to actually continue that learning and to effectively use technology to help them support that learning in a more contextualised environment.
And if you want to zoom in, you can go close.
The apprentices have really seen an impact on their learning within the workplace, which has been vital in their growth and improvement of the skills required for the employer. We really wouldn't have been able to do it without UFI. It has really given us the momentum to continue this on, and we now have sustainability for this project going into the future.